In this video, I am talking about monsoon health tips to stay healthy during rainy season. 1. Drink clean and boiled water. Water sources can get contaminated during the monsoon, and this increases the chance of contracting waterborne diseases. Stomach issues and fever are some of the most common health woes during this season. It is necessary to have a water filter at home, or one can also traditionally boil water daily for consumption. It is also recommended to carry drinking water whenever you travel, or to only buy sealed and packaged water when necessary. 2. Avoid street food and junk food. Many hawkers sell popular street food and freshly cut fruits that are stored in the open. It is best to avoid such foods as they are kept in the open and are vulnerable to harmful microorganisms. The longer these foods are exposed to the open air, the higher the chances of contracting infections if consumed. 3. Avoid stagnant water around the house. Breeding of mosquitoes is one of the most dangerous issues during the monsoon season. Open water storage at home and water puddles that are stagnating around the house are breeding grounds for such insects. You must always ensure that drinking water is covered in pots and vessels or bottles. Also, make sure that the drains in the locality are not clogged and remove any visible sources of stagnant water. 4. Wash fruits and vegetables carefully. It is imperative to scrub fruits and vegetables that have been bought from the market under running water. There are different types of germs that thrive on the skins of fruits and vegetables, and it is best to avoid eating raw-cut salads from street vendors during the monsoons. It is advisable to opt for clean and freshly cooked home food during the rains. 5. Get your beauty sleep. Late working hours or unhealthy sleeping habits tend to disrupt your immunity and can increase the chances of contracting flu and cold-like symptoms during the monsoons. It is recommended to clock in 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night to help boost your immunity and stay healthy during this season. 6. Follow an exercise regimen. Even though activities such as walking, skipping, yoga, cycling, or running can be hampered during the monsoon, don't let this season dampen your exercise routine. While exercising not only helps you stay in shape, it also maintains your immunity, improves blood circulation, and fortifies your body against viruses and bacteria. 7. Wash your hands. It is important to wash and sanitize your hands before every meal, especially when you come home from outside. Practice good hand hygiene, especially during the monsoon, to ensure the skin of your hands is clean while consuming food. This is necessary because harmful germs tend to multiply at a faster rate during the monsoon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video.